To fix this problem, head straight to your phone. Then when you get to your phone menu, then try to search for NBA 2K mobile app. So when you can't find it, just try to scroll and you're going to see this. So when you find it, tap on it for some while. This is going to pop up, which is the app info. Tap on the app info. Then now what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. Go back. Tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is still good on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is still good on, and check everything. When it's right, then tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After that, tap on permissions and make sure the storage permission is allowed. So after allowing this, what you have to do is to go back to your Google Play Store or your App Store. After that, try to update your app. Getting the latest update of this app really helps the app move faster, and everything is going to be fixed when you update it. So after updating it, don't try to open the app, but rather tap on the power button for some while, then you tap on restart, then you tap on OK. If you can't find restart on your phone and it's reboot, just tap on reboot and it's all the same, it's worked perfectly. But you also can't find restart and reboot, just turn your phone off, then turn it on again, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are facing the same problem. Like this video and share this video, and also if you have any questions, just let me know in my comment section. See you in the next one.